The maintenance department is a department that works behind the scenes to get things done on a daily task. The custodians do general cleaning and disinfecting on a daily basis, and the maintenance department runs work orders throughout the day, throughout the year. It is all safety based and it's mandatory. We got deadlines we got to get done before the students arrive. We work on a work order basis and we work off priority. We got a tier, emergencies to lower, and that's how we prioritize our work orders. We take pride in all our work. We communicate with the supervisors, the custodial and maintenance supervisor, and just working together as a team and just trying to make everything perfect for our staff and students. So we take advantage of the summertime work, the custodians strip and wax throughout the summer because there's not much activity in the buildings, and the maintenance department takes care of projects. We're running flooring, painting crew right now, and just getting things done, taking advantage of the empty classrooms.